everyone! Today we will learn about the types of animals on the farm. Are you ready? Let's go! Sheep! This is sheep! Young sheep is lamb. Sheep give us wool, meat, and milk. Cow! This is cow. The offspring of a cow is calf. Cow used for milk, for meat, and cow leather. Bull! This is a bull. Bull! Bull used for transportation and for meat. Camel. This is camel. Camel used for transportation and meat. Chicken. This is chicken. A young chicken is chick. Chicken used for eggs and meat. Duck. This is duck. A young duck is duckling. Duck used for eggs and for meat. Deer. This is deer. Deer used for meat. Donkey. This is donkey. A young donkey is foal. Donkey used for work, transportation, and for meat. Goat. This is goat. A young goat is kid. Goat kept for milk, for meat, and for hair. Goose. This is goose. Goose kept for meat and for eggs. Guinea pig. This is guinea pig. Guinea pig often kept as pets. Horse. This is horse. Horse used for riding, for transportation, and for meat. Llama. This is llama. Llama used for transportation and for meat. Ostrich. This is ostrich. Ostrich used for feathers and for meat. Pig. This is pig. A young pig is piglet. Pig used for meat. Rabbit. This is rabbit. A young rabbit is bunny. Rabbit raised for meat and for fur. Bee. This is bee. Bee often kept for honey and for pollination services. Turkey. This is turkey. A young turkey is poult. Turkey raised for meat. On Thanksgiving, Roast turkey is indispensable in feast. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Bye-bye.